Hello, everyone. Today is Wednesday, July 5th, 2023. Really tough day to trade. It was very, very slow. Hopefully, the whole summer is not like this. But today there was some important news. The minutes for the FOMC came out. Let me see if I can get to there. Okay. So see, there's I'm gonna put this one in red. FOMC meetings came at 2 p.m. And then FOMC speaker member Williams spoke at 4. Anyways, these are the only relevant meetings today. And if you see here, also there was an OPEC meeting today. So for those of us that trade crude, this one was relevant, and we'll see what is going to happen tomorrow. Anyways, I'm going to share with you a couple of trades I made today. I started with crude, and I lost $90 here. It was very choppy in between the upper side of the 30 minutes range and the down side of the 30 minutes range. So I'm going to go through and explain you why I took the trades and why I didn't keep trading. I didn't see that much today in this chart. So one question I had, or they asked me, is why I chose this Renko sizes. So I do divide them in between two. Let me see here, between 4, 10, and 20, which is the large bars, and also use the 2, 5, 10. So what happened is that the 2, 5, 10 is a little bit more noisy than this one, and some people like to trade like that. I'm gonna change this one to 2. So this one is 2, 5, 10, as you see there. So this is the tick trend 2. The open offset is 5, and the tick reversal is 10. So so here you see that there's a lot more noise than in the other one. And if you like this style of, in and out, this one is probably good for you. There was a good entry here at the beginning of the opening clock. Remember that CL opens at 9 a.m. So it was in a range here, up, down in the overnight, moving a little bit to the upside, and then made this a double bottom here and a trend reversal breakout. You can call it that way because it's coming in this negative direction. So that one ran all the way up to the top of the opening range at the beginning. So here I do have also the 15-minute opening range. So I took that trade over there. So this one is the 15-minute, and that's why I took the trade. It was a little bit extended, probably was a lot riskier, and especially with crude. Crude likes to go to these levels and come back and kick people out and then continue. But anyways, this one is the 2, 5, 10. I'm gonna put it in the 4. So in this way, I do have less noise. Less entries, but probably larger targets as well. So this is where I entered the trade. There was also the reason why I entered it was here. So here you do have that tops, and then I enter it right there. Okay, so $10 only came back, and then it stopped me out. What happened in this one is that I do have the rule that if I get to an intermediate target, let's say $100 to $150 there, this one is probably more, $200 there, then I put at break even plus one. And this is what happened here. So I had it at break even plus one right there, and came back and it stopped me out. So I could have done a lot more, but you never know if this one is going to move up or not. So you could take a profit here or move your stop. And in this case, I moved the stop, and then it continued. It continued there. Now it came back down. There's no entry here. Here it's a little bit noisy. The reason why I didn't take it was that in this area here, you do have momentum below the zero line, and then you have some discrepancy in the move right there. So you see that candle is moving to the upside, but momentum is not really helping. It's changing color to the to green, but not when it triggered. So I did not take it, and then came back. And then I don't have, other than a reversal, I don't have a legal entry right there, except for maybe this trend reversal breakout to moving to the downside right there. I did not take it either. Little bit too noisy in this area here. So you see that the fast line and slow line are moving up, down, over the zero line right there. So I prefer to stay away. And then here I took another break on the 30 minutes, and came back and stopped me out right there. So that one was $90 loss. So in between the two of them, or $100 loss, I wanted to say. And then in between the two of them, I did have $90. And then I said, okay, so maybe it's me, or maybe it's the OPEC meeting, but it really didn't give me that much opportunity to make a new entry. Probably you could have one here, but still you are within the range of the opening range, 30 minutes. So it's not really appealing to participate in the market there. In the 30 minutes, you see that there was a little bit more clarity on what was going on. We are in an uptrend. Moved up and then came back down, touched the 50 SMA right there and came back up. And then, but there's a lot of wicks anyway. So even though you have a nice clean entry right there, then you don't know, because this candle is up down. It's not you don't know if it's it probably is this one here, came back down and moved up, so it's not that clean, right? So you're putting a lot of risk there, lots of wicks and then moving up and down. So if you took a trade right here, and then wait, probably, and then you sold it at the end of the session back up here, then you probably did well. I don't do that. So really nothing there for that. Remember to subscribe, and I do have 1,001 subscribers already, so this is very exciting. I have to put the effort to make more videos so I can complete the time that it's required to get monetized. So thank you for your support, and I appreciate if you're one of the 1,001 participants on this channel. All right. So let's review gold today. I did make some more trades here, actually 5 trades in gold, and I'm going to explain them, why I took them and what is the setup here. Really, I do have a channel moving up right here. I do have a channel moving up, and then first entry I made was here. It was kind of like against the channel, and I don't recommend this to be done ever, but I did it this time. I moved to this area on, and then it bounced. So I took a little small profit there, $20 on that first entry right there, and then there was so this one is a horizontal breakout of the 30 minutes channel right there. And then the reason why I took it as well was that, you know, you see my area here of compression in the overnight. So market came open and moved to the upside here. I missed that this. I did not participate in this trade to the upside. Let me remind myself why I did not take it. Hold on. I have my notes somewhere, so just 1 second. Yeah, I just missed it. You know, there was a clean, good entry right here, and probably I didn't take it because of this high that you see there, and I thought it was going to be more congested. But and also, you know, if you look at this, and then you look at that, probably the momentum was also overextended for me at least. So I did not take it. Probably a mistake. And then I moved up, and then came back down. Then came back down, and then I took that breakout of the 30 minutes, and I took that one. I said that one already. So then I took this week out of the moving average. This one is probably a 21 moving average break, or no, it's actually a 34. You have the week out of the moving average right there. It's actually touching the 34 EMA. So I took that one a little bit extended already, but in the direction of the green area. So you see here that it moved and visited that red area. I was waiting for it to move to the lower portion from there, and actually I had my target down below here, which you see that it really nailed it almost all the way here. So if you take one of this tool is giving you a second leg. So you take that one there and then move it. Actually, I moved it here when I took this trade, and I kind of saw clearly that there was a two leg. So my target was around this area actually, and then you see that moved right up to that level. Anyways, I took this trade here. It didn't work out. So I took that week out of the 34, and then this week out of the 34 as well. And this one moved there. I was going to sell it here, but I was looking at this target, and I didn't. I just put the stop right above for the reversal, and then I tried again here. I tried again. No, and this one was stopped out. I did not try this one. This normally happens, right? So you hesitate on take or you take this one with conviction, and then you hesitate to take the second one. You are stopped out, and then you hesitate to take the second one, and then moved without you. Okay, and then finally I took this one here. I still in my mind has this second leg to the downside, and finally it moved all the way down to that area. not all the way until that position there, but close enough. So when it came back down here, it retraced, and I sold it because I was thinking that it was going to be sold right there, or that it was going to bounce all the way back up. It was kind of a choppy day as well, so it wasn't, a clean move. You see that there was up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down. So there is a congestion here. I always talk about this area of magnet. So I was since this one was an area of reverse, where it reversed, I thought that they extended it was going to go there, but you have also the chance that it's going to come into this area as well. So yeah, I took these trades not with much conviction, but I took it. And you see in the 30 minutes chart, it goes down, then you have a big wick here, and then comes back down, and then you can tell that it was going to move to the other side of this area, right? So you have this 1943, and then in this one you have 1922, which from the center of this area, it's equidistant, kind of equidistant here. So what I'm saying is that this distance here to the middle is the same as this distance here to the middle. Okay. So so trades today. Let's see. So the first one here was $20 right there. The second one was a $70, a loss on this one. So I said I took it here, and I was stopped out, yeah, right there, right here. So that one was a $70 loss. Then $210 on this one here. It could have been probably good 350 from here to there. We can actually measure it. Let's go here. So to here is 170. Is that what it said? 210 right there. And then all the way to this here, to the top of this area would have been $400. But I was, $440, which was my target, but I went greedy. I wanted to make all the way to 850, and I put my sell right there. Well, now not a good idea, but that is what I did. And then the next one, I lost $150, which is this week out of the cloud right here. So there's a week out of the cloud. You see the cloud here, right? The red area. And then there was a bounce moving below the moving average, but it came back to give another week out of the cloud, which I didn't take. So that one was $150 loss. And then my last trade from here to there was $220. So total today, it's in here, $140. Lots of trades. Not a good day, but green anyways. So yeah, and those are my trades for today. Well, thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe to the channel, and also like it. There is a promotion that lasts until tomorrow with Apex. Remember, 90% discount. I'm gonna get some, so you will see that tomorrow I'm gonna trade with 10 accounts once again. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.